Here I have INFINIX Zero 5 and let me show you how to take screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you would like to capture. In my case, it could be simply the list of settings, and let's assume that I would like to save this screen. So all I need to do is use this combination, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you again. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously. And you just capture the screen. You can also use the second way of taking screenshots. Let's use the upper bar twice, and here let's tap screenshot. That's it. Here you can also use upper bar, and you can here use scroll shot. Let me tap it, tap scroll shot, and the device is saving the scroll shot, the whole list of settings. You can tap anywhere to stop it, but in my case, let me save the whole list of settings on one picture. Let's just tap save, and that's it. There is also the third way of taking screenshots, but in settings we need to enable this option. Let's here choose gesture and smart motion, and here let's enable 3-finger screenshot. Now you can take screenshot by swiping down with 3 fingers. Let me show you. That's it. Let me show you again. Let's swipe down with 3 fingers, and you just capture the screen. Now if you would like to share, edit, delete, or do something with your pictures, you can use the upper bar and tap screenshot captured, or you can also find the screenshot folder by using the home screen. Here let's find and select the following gallery icon. Let's allow gallery to access photos, etc. And under albums, let's tap the screenshot folder, and here you can share, edit, delete, or do other stuff with the following pictures. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.